Now we need to choose a template. Templates are different from themes, which we already chose earlier when we installed Astra. That theme controls the overall look of the entire website, including colors, fonts, and the layout for all pages. A template, however, only controls the layout of one specific page, such as a home page, about page, or a contact page. You can browse the templates by category here, and you'll see that the templates that are paid are marked as premium. But there are plenty of free ones to start with, and using a template will both save us lots of time and will get us started with a professional look. If you click on any of these templates, you'll get a preview of how it would look, and you can even navigate through the pages here. To go back and choose something else, you can just click the X. I'm going to use this template called Planet Earth, as it's a good one to learn the Elementor page builder, and it's flexible to use for different industries. Once we select the template, you can start by customizing your website with a site logo, and you can change font pairings if you'd like. Below that, we can experiment with new color palettes, but for now, I'm going to stick with the defaults, and we can click Continue. In this feature selection step, I'll click Skip this step. If you see this insufficient memory limit, you can choose to skip and continue here as well. And then finally, on this screen, you don't actually need to fill out your information here, but you will need to check this box to acknowledge that you are overwriting your site settings and adding new content. Once checked, click Submit and Build My Website. This will take a minute or two, but once it's complete, you can click here to view your website. If we scroll down here, we can see the rest of our homepage, and we can navigate to other pages in our menu bar to take a look. For example, this is the About page, and this is the Services page. Let's see what these pages look like from within our WordPress dashboard. Go to our website name in our WordPress admin bar. Then we can right-click and open our dashboard in a new tab. For now, I'll close Elementor, Starter Templates, and my email inbox. Now back to the dashboard that we just opened. From the dashboard, let's go to Pages in the left-hand menu. And here we can see our pages listed out.